Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a old build that I'd like to show you. This here is a 1966 Chevy 2 Nova wagon, and I built this one. Wow, I believe it's 30 years ago. I got the body from Jimmy Flintstone. I don't even know if the company's still around or the particular kit. But it was just a body, and all of the rest of the chassis and everything came from the Pro Street Nova kit that was out during that time. It was the one that had the yellow Nova on it. Then I went ahead and did some detailing in there with some heater hoses and wires and carburetor springs and all that good stuff. I don't know if you can get a good shot of that or not. Let's see. No, it gets too blurry. Doesn't want to stay focused, but it's in there. Yep, little master cylinder there in the back. Don't even remember what size engine it was that was in there. I do believe it's a small block though, looking at the valve covers. That was a fun build. I'm partial to the Nova. Love the Novas and Camaros, but I like all cars, of course. Looks like I got a little bit of dust residue in the creases here. Yep. This one's been in a showcase display for, well, over 30 years. And I just opened it up to glue the back bumper back on because it had fallen off, and a couple little miscellaneous pieces. Yep. But I wanted to show you guys that one. Something I was really proud of. I enjoyed the heck out of building it back in the day. And I'll figure out how to put that on better later on. We'll just set it up there for now. Well, that's it, folks. Appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so much. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. And let's keep this hobby going. I can't pick it up to show you the bottom because it's wired to the base of the display case there. So, have yourselves a great day. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.